Okay. Knock, knock.
Hi everyone. So for this entire video, I just used one watercolor palette. It's the Mehron Paradise Pro palette. All you have to do is take water to activate the paints. So for this look, I wanted to do the Joker from the new movie, and this is more of like a rough and rugged look, not a cute look, not the movie poster look, but him in the movie, you know, super dramatic, all of that. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I just looked at different photos of him. I looked at one photo that I really liked where it showed his character, where it has a really messy look. So I just basically painted off of that. Enjoy the video. My husband did the songs for this video, and they're pretty much amazing. I don't know why they're not in the movie, but holla at us, Warner, okay? Enjoy the vibes.
I've gotta